Introducing your all-in-one email marketing solution, MailerGPT. MailerGPT is a powerful tool that can help businesses succeed in their email marketing efforts. Essentially, it is an AI-based email marketing platform that allows businesses to create and send personalized emails to their subscribers with greater ease and efficiency. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, MailerGPT can help businesses create engaging and relevant email content that resonates with their target audience, increasing the likelihood of conversion and engagement. One of the most significant advantages of MailerGPT is its ability to automate many aspects of the email marketing process. This includes segmenting subscribers based on their interests and behavior, creating personalized email campaigns, and analyzing the results to optimize future efforts. By automating these tasks, businesses can save time and resources while still achieving their marketing objectives. Another key benefit of MailerGPT is its flexibility and scalability. Whether you are a small startup or a large enterprise, this tool can be tailored to your specific needs and goals. It can help you reach your target audience across various channels, including email, social media, and mobile devices. Additionally, as your business grows and your needs change, MailerGPT can adapt to accommodate your evolving requirements. Overall, MailerGPT is an excellent tool for any business looking to improve its email marketing efforts. Its AI-based capabilities can help you create more engaging and effective email campaigns while saving you time and resources. By leveraging MailerGPT, you can improve your customer engagement, increase conversions, and ultimately achieve greater success in your email marketing efforts. If you are interested to try our MailerGPT, please click on the link at the description. Thank you and see you on your success.